Creek, right along Wears Valley Road there, so just kind of west of the Dollywood and Pigeon Forge downtown area. But that's a lot of rain in a short amount of time. That's what prompted the warning, and the reason why they kind of were letting this go for another hour, this last little batch of the heavy rainfall that's about to move through basically now in the Walden's Creek area for about the next 15-20 minutes or so. So hopefully this won't aggravate the situation that's there. But this is what I was talking about all last week and all through this week. All it takes with all this moisture in the air is for some of these storms to move over the same spots, and you can get a lot of rain in a short amount of time. Thankfully, the back edge of this now in West Knoxville, right along the Loudoun County border there with Roane County, but that's still some moderate rain on the north side up there. But thankfully, we haven't seen a whole lot of rain in Knox County today. But it was this band of heavy rain. I'll replay it once again right there. That batch is what caused the flooding there in the Pigeon Forge region. So just a little bit more, and then we'll be drier as we go through the night. Live look from Gatlinburg, where they didn't pick up quite the amount of rain they saw in Pigeon Forge. Streets look good. I mean, they're damp, but I don't see standing water, flooded roadways across the area, which is great to see. These rain chances will continue to taper off, especially after about midnight through the 2 a.m. time frame, and then we're quiet as we head towards daybreak tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the low 70s. Now, this is the satellite picture. What I've done is I've color-coded it so where the brighter reds, that's where some of those bigger storms were, or the higher cloud tops. But you can see things are starting to quiet down to the west. There's actually some clearing back across portions of Fentress County. With that clearing, we could be seeing some fog develop throughout the night tonight because of all the rainfall we've seen, right? Seeing patchy fog now by daybreak. Could be some thicker fog in spots that picked up the heavier rain today. Just keep that in mind heading out to work Thursday morning. Otherwise, by the afternoon tomorrow, mid to upper 80s. So a little less warm than today, a little closer to average because of some increased rain chances again by tomorrow afternoon. 6 predictor showing a quiet start by 7 a.m. Maybe 1 or 2 late morning storms, but notice by midday, already decent coverage across the area continuing as we go through the afternoon. So another round of some heavy rainfall certainly possible as we go through the day Thursday, and then things quiet down just like tonight once we get closer to that midnight time frame. Now, there is the opportunity again area-wide of some flash flooding. Anybody could see it, not everybody, but anybody. Greater risk is going to be a little further east as you go over into North Carolina. By Friday, though, that risk pushes farther to the south as we'll see lower rain opportunities move in across the area. With lower rain chances, we see temperatures start to warm back up. We're talking 92 by the time we get to Friday, 90 by the time we get to Saturday. Heat index values are going to be in the triple digits by the time we get there, the way this is looking. As we head later in the weekend, those slightly better rain chances as we go Sunday into Monday across the area. And then early next week, we're talking temperatures back in the low 90s. So anytime you start to see those low 90s come back, we're talking heat index values getting closer to triple digits.